I needed to make a lattice for a math research problem I was doing, and I wondered if it'd be easily implementable in Desmos. I tried to write the code myself in Desmos, but it seemed like there was no efficient way of doing it, so I just typed in lattice Desmos. So like anybody else, I looked at the top 10 hits. The first one was from Desmos itself, so I clicked it. And I got something very interesting, but also overly complicated. And it is, in fact, a true lattice. But it wasn't what I was looking for. I need something simpler. So I tried the third option, same problem. Again, I got something, but there was too many lines of code, and it wasn't even a full lattice. Nope, 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 nope. Even Web Application Stack Exchange seemed to have it overly complicated. So I clicked on the Desmos link. There were still 4 lines of code. There had to be a simpler way to do this. There had to be a way to make it into just one line of code, like a nested for loop in programming. I also found this other program on the web earlier, but there's still too many lines of code. And in fact, it's not even a true lattice. Here is the program I wrote in Python for generating Pythagorean triples. Maybe the syntax for Desmos is similar to this nested for loop. And the answer is, pretty much, yes. So here's the code. So it's like a list. You can make a list. And now we're going to make the points. So usually in loops you have ij as the counting index. And now you're going to put for, like a for loop. And then I, the range of I, square brackets, with 0, comma, 1, comma, dot, 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 comma, 10. And then comma. And then here you don't put for, you just put j equals, and we'll put the same thing, 0, comma, 1, comma, dot, 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 comma, 10. And we have our simple lattice in one line of code. And in fact, in Desmos 3D, you can also create a 3D lattice by just extending the coordinates of the point by one slot, comma, k equals square brackets. And there we have our 3D lattice in only one line of code. It felt really good to finally guess the proper syntax after much trial and error. And to be fair, this might be a new addition that only happened recently, so that is why the older answers could not figure this out. Perhaps Desmos is trying to make it more like a formal programming language. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button now. And also, check out my book, Learning Isn't Linear, available on Amazon.com. And remember, prioritize long-term learning over short-term test taking.